Hello,
Hi,
how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. What about you?
Doing pretty good. My name is Mosiah. What's your name?
Oh, nice to meet you, Mosiah.
Mhm.
Mosiah, yeah. My name is Jafar.
Jafar? Where are you from?
Can you guess?
Let's see. I've
It's
talked to,
not on my profile.
I'm not
Don't try
sure.
it.
I'm not, my guess is Saudi Arabia because I've talked to like three people from Saudi Arabia already today, but I'm
Mm,
not sure.
yeah, no, I'm not from Saudi Arabia, but I'm from an Arabic country,
Okay.
Morocco, from Morocco.
Okay, okay. I don't know too much about that
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
hmm what are some
And what
things you
about
think?
you?
So I'm from the United States,
Minnesota? Minnesota?
Minnesota. Yep.
Ah, I see. Is it a state or a city?
So that's a
State?
state. Yeah, it's a state. I live
Mm-hmm.
in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So it's the city of Minneapolis in the state of Minnesota.
I see. Good.
hmm What can I do to help you today?
I don't know. I'm just having conversations. So yeah. So what are you doing beside? Are you a teacher in real life or are you just an online teacher?
So I used to be a teacher in real life,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm going back to school so I can. I'm studying biomedical science, and just going to be going off of that and
Which
studying that,
science?
going
I didn't get
biomedical science.
biomedical.
hmm
Ah, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yep. So now I just do this on the side, and I work in the summer. Way I can be ready for school in the fall and go to university.
Yeah. Are you going to start university or you are already in?
I'll be starting this program.
Oh, nice. And
hmm
for how many years you're gonna be studying?
I'll be I'll be doing it for 4 years, and then after that, I'm going to go. I'm going to take my MCAT and start medical school.
Nice. And are you
hmm
are you motivated about it?
I am. I'm excited.
Oh, that's cool. I see.
Yep. I'm ready to get started and learn. I don't like sitting down for too long, so I'm excited to keep moving forward.
Yeah, yeah. It's always good to keep moving, you know.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you said that you're just doing Cambly for it's like a hustle, you know, just a way to make money.
Absolutely.
Are you doing
Yep.
anything else beside?
Uh, Yes, I am actually. I work for a pest control company for the summer and help prevent bugs from getting into people's houses.
Bugs? Yeah, nice. So you like those guys in Breaking Bad that he worked with them at the last I think the last
Yes,
season
I do.
when they
Yep,
go to
yep.
a house and they closed it and to kill bugs.
Yep, yep. Yeah, I like it's work. I enjoy what I do. Allows me to get outside and talk to lots of people, and especially right
hmm
now with everything going on in the world, I like being able to see
Crazy,
people
yeah.
and talk to them. Even if I have to wear a mask, I'm happy to be able to talk to someone.
Yeah, I think there
Still
is a
there?
connection problem, but now it's okay, I think.
Okay. Sweet.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Still there?
Yeah, I am here. So, yeah. Can you hear me?
Uh, I can hear you now. It keeps cutting
Yeah.
in and out, but that's okay. Let's see. Making sure it's not on my
Yeah.
end.
How are you using your AirPods with your computer? It's not working for me. I have my
So my
AirPods. They are Samsungs, but they are not working when I use them talking to someone like that on Cambly. They they they
Mhm.
they, they don't want to work.
I'm not sure. Yeah, mine work. I'm using a Mac, and they work every time I get on my computer to for Cambly.
Ah, I see. Mine won't
Hmm.
work. The other person cannot hear my voice clearly.
Mm,
My voice is too low for them. So I stopped using them. I'm just using these ones.
gotcha. Yeah, I for the most part, mine have worked really well so far. I like my AirPods. They're always just the right
Yeah,
size. I love them.
yeah, me too. I like the sound quality. Oh my God. Yeah, that's like I have Samsung, not the Apple ones. And
Gotcha, gotcha.
when I put them, there is no noise coming in. So I feel like I'm alone on the street.
Yeah, that feels nice.
Yeah, it feels
I've
nice. Yeah.
especially after living in a world where we have a bunch of cords, to have anything that doesn't have a cord is like the nicest thing in the
Yeah.
world.
Yeah. And
Yep.
they're making it possible to hear everything, that is happening in a song,
Hmm.
those small details and stuff. You're able to listen
Yeah,
to them.
it makes the experience so much better.
Yeah. And it says, I don't know if it's your description or another Twitter description. It says that you like football. Is it
I do.
nice? What is your favorite team?
So I think they're my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
I don't
congratulations.
watch. Thank you. I
Yeah.
don't watch as much soccer as I'd like to. I'm usually working too much, but I love to play. Like, any chance I can to play, I will play.
Nice. Which possession?
I'm a defensive wing.
Defensive wing. Oh, that's a good possession and a hard job.
Yeah, it is. I like it. It keeps me very tired, but I like being tired.
Yeah. You have to work you know, with the defense line and attack with the attack line. Yeah. It has a lot
Every
of
time
responsibilities.
every time I just tell me run more, then you've got 5 minutes of a break, and that's it. And you're going right back in. Like you
Yeah.
got a couple minutes, and that's all you get.
So
So in
I
high
guess,
school, I just run until I couldn't.
yeah, I guess Marcelo is your favorite wing.
I definitely say so. I think my favorite defender is Sergio Ramos. I like the way he does his
I
job
mean,
and just like the
in
skills
the
he has.
position that you're playing at.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, Marcelo is good. Yeah, I don't know, he's smart. But right now he's getting older, so I don't know. He starts to lose his skills.
Hmm. It's cool to watch the professionals and how it comes naturally. They've done it so much and they practice so much
Mm-hmm.
that they can they just the amount of knowledge that goes into everything they do
Yeah,
is crazy.
yeah, yeah. It's really cool. I play in like to give balls, passes, like
Hmm.
taking the ball from this side and just giving it to others. I like this position. Yeah,
Hmm.
I like to play in the middle of the field. But it's been so long since I played, so yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, it's hard to once you stop getting back into it, you realize really quickly how old you've gotten and how out of
Yeah,
shape you've gotten.
how slow you've gotten.
Yeah,
You cannot even run with the ball.
yeah, exactly. I took a little break, and when I went back to it, I was like, "Wow, I didn't realize it'd been that long."
Yeah. Uh, I don't know. They're going to play the Champions League next month.
Yeah, I'm excited just to, especially like right now with it being the summertime. That's something I was probably the most scared of.
Mm-hmm.
With the coronavirus was like all the sports not being able to continue because
Mm-hmm.
that was a big thing for me. I love sports and being able to be a part of that, and how important it is to bring cultures together and cities
Yeah,
together, and people together.
yeah, it's really nice. Here in Morocco, people love to watch the Spanish league because Spain is just right there, and I think you know, I don't know, they play the best football. Everyone likes it.
Very true.
Yeah, some
We
people
have
say the Premier League, but it just, the Spanish league is just nice. I don't know.
it's.
Because whenever
I think they're
a Premier League team plays against a Spanish a Spanish team, they lose, The
mhm.
Spanish,
I
the
think
Spanish team win.
I think they're just in a league higher than everyone else. Like in the United States, we have the MLS league,
Hmm.
and they're nowhere near
Yeah,
European leagues at all. They don't
yeah,
even compare. They may have good players, but they just don't even compare.
yeah. And I don't know that the name of that team. A lot of famous players are playing there. It's owned by Beckham, I think.
Oh yeah, so there's a couple U.S. teams that like David Beckham came over and he kind of started soccer in the United States. It's because of him that we
Ah,
have so many leagues, professional leagues. So it's pretty common for foreign players to come here and play to kind of get things
yeah,
started, to teach other people how to play and to kind of structure it. So I think the United States will have good teams in the next maybe 10 years. But as of right
yeah.
now, they're kind of building it up and teaching them and getting the
Hmm.
foundations together.
Yeah, because I think Americans are more into, I don't know, basketball, golf, baseball,
Yeah. Yep. And
and,
then American football.
yeah, American football. Yeah, handball, not football.
Yeah. I don't know why it's called football. It's kicked once. That's it. It's the only
Yeah,
time it's for a field goal. And besides that, you're throwing it from person to person.
yeah. And in England they call it soccer, sometimes football also.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So
That
yeah, it's 15 minutes, so we have to say goodbye.
Absolutely. It was a pleasure meeting you and getting to talk to you for a little bit.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Definitely. You have a
So
great rest of your night.
yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.